Hi everyone, Erica here with Paragon Accountants. Do you need to still make your fourth quarter estimated federal tax payment due January 17, 2023? Well, listen up, because today I'm going to show you how to make your IRS payment through the irs.gov's website. There are some rules that allow you to stay from the set schedule of an estimated tax payment. For instance, if you pay all of your 2022 estimated tax payments by April 18th, you're off the hook for the rest of the year. If you file your 2022 tax return by January 31st, 2023, and pay the entire balance due with your return, then you don't have to make that final payment due January 17th. So how do you pay your estimated tax payments? By using a form called the 1040-ES. You would make that form payment on a quarterly basis, and there are several ways to make that estimated tax payment, including check, money order, credit card, and debit card. But the online system via the irs.gov's website is the way I believe and recommend to my clients that all taxpayers should use to make those estimated tax payments and avoid any discrepancies in those payment methods. So watch now, because I'm going to walk you through how to log in to the irs.gov's website and make your estimated tax payment. So let's begin. Now you'll notice here we're at the irs.gov's website. Make sure that it's irs.gov. You'll want to go into the pay drop down. Then from there, you'll want to go to pay from your bank account. There is another option if you'd like to pay via debit card, credit card, or digital wallet. Even PayPal is now available. You'll have to make that selection. Otherwise, if you have an EFTPS irs.gov login, you can also use that method as well. Or lastly, you can do a payment plan. So the irs.gov's website has a very easy and efficient way in which you as the taxpayer can elect to make your estimated tax payment. For this video, I just want to make sure that you understand where to go, which is the irs.gov website. Click on the pay button. From there, you can see all of the 4 options I just discussed, and then you can log in to the preferred method of payment and follow the instructions on the website. It's that easy. Next, you go into make a payment. In my case, I selected paying via check. From there, you click on the payment. The irs.gov's website now will ask you for the reason behind your payment. Again, in this video, we are saying that we're making an estimated tax payment. You then go to the next drop-down window, which produces a apply payment to. Again, we're making an estimated tax payment. Therefore, we're doing the form 1040-S. And probably the most important piece is the tax period for the payment. So you want to make sure that if you're making an estimated tax payment for 2022, that you select the tax period for payment as 2022. I see many taxpayers make this mistake and pick the wrong year. Then you'll go into continue, and you'll have to follow the prompts which say, please confirm. Once again, the IRS is asking you to make sure that the intent of what you've put into this drop-down is in fact what you are intending to do, and hit continue. From there, you have your tax year for verification. So now the irs.gov's website wants to verify that you as the taxpayer are who you are. So I would pick 2021, which is the previous year that I filed my taxes, and then fill in the blanks. It's going to ask for your filing status. Did I file single, married filing joint, married filing separate, head of household, or qualified widower? Only you as the taxpayer will know your filing status for the prior year. You'll complete your full name as it is reported on your prior year tax return, your social security number. Again, you will confirm that again, your date of birth, your country of residence, and your address. Again, This is the address you filed in your prior tax return, not your current address if for some reason that has changed. So be mindful of that. Then you have to accept the Privacy Act and Paperwork Reduction Act. And once you click on that and the IRS.gov's website is able to confirm you are who you say you are, you then can proceed forward with putting in your bank account information and making your payment. It is that easy. Not only is it that quick, but you also get a confirmation from the IRS via email and on the website as soon as the payment is made that you should share with your tax professional so that you ensure that your estimated tax payments are accurate and reported on your following tax year's return. Whether you make estimated tax payments or rely on withholdings, you could be hit with penalties if you don't pay enough tax throughout the year. The penalty doesn't apply if you owe less than $1,000 in taxes. You can also avoid the penalty if your 2022 withholding or estimated tax payments equal at least 90% of your 2022 tax liability or 100% of the tax shown on your 2021 return. So, now that you have discovered how easy it is to make your estimated tax payments on the IRS.gov's website, you have no excuse to meet your fourth quarter, January 17th, 2023 estimated tax payment on the due date. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below, subscribe, and like our page. We'll see you next time.